Hello guys and welcome back to this video. So as a new year gift to all of you, Bybit is giving away 5 million Sonic token worth $5 million. All right. Out of this 5 million, 1 million of this token is going to existing users, and then the remaining 4 million goes to new users only. And all you need to do to get your own part of the Sonic token through the token splash on Bybit is first you need to register. Okay, you need to indicate your interest by registering for this event. The link to do that will be in the video description. So just click on the first link in the video description and then click on register. If you are not logged into your account, I would prefer you log into your account using the web browser, not your app. All right, so that you don't get error. Log into your account. Then on the page, you need to see the button that says register for this. Okay, just go ahead and register. And when you register, okay, as an existing user, all you need to do is to trade $500 worth of the Sonic token. I've already started doing that. This is it. Okay, I took a trade right here, and from just buying, okay, and selling, I've been able to do up to 1,400 in volume. So that qualifies me to get some of this token. And I can earn up to 20,000 of this Sony token according to my trading volume. All right. So as an existing user, to share in this 1 million Sony token that Bybit is giving away, all you need to do is to trade the token, right? But first you need to register. So use the link in the video description to register for that. Then as a new user, right, all you need to do to share in this 4 million Sony token that Bybit is giving out is first you need to sign up, register using the event link in the video description, or if you're on my Telegram, I've posted that already. Just register. Once you register, you have the option to deposit 1,500 Sonic token. You can deposit it from any exchange of your choice, or you can just make a deposit of 100 USDT or more, and then trade 100 USDT worth of the Sonic token or more, and you qualify to get up to 300 Sonic token. Okay, as at yesterday, this Sonic token traded at $1.19, almost 20 cents or so. So I'm currently buying, and right here I'm going to enter another trade right here for a buy to continue to increase my volume for this, and then I'll be targeting that daily open around that $1 right there. Okay, so this, when I buy, it will continue to increase my volume right here, and that will qualify me for the number of tokens that I'm going to receive at the end of the event. As at the time of making this video, okay, this is 13 days. That is, it will take 13 days for this event to come to an end, so you still have time to participate in this. All right, just buy and sell this token and you are good to go. By the way, you can join us on Telegram. All right, I'm going to send this signal right now to the Telegram platform for those who care to actually take part in this, so we can make the stop loss maybe around 2 or 3% or so that we don't get to lose much in case the market refuses to bounce up from here. All right, so start trading the Sonic token and then you can qualify to get your own share. Okay, just imagine that after 13 days, Bybit gives you this allocation of the token, and then it goes back to $1. That will be worth, maybe if you get up to 300 or more, that will be worth whatever the price at that moment is. Okay, so participate in this token launch right now, or token splash right now, and get your own share of the 5 million Sonic token that Bybit is giving out. All right, so don't miss out. That's the new year gift for you from Bybit to you, so don't miss out on this. That is it for this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, and you can take advantage of all the signals we share on Telegram by joining us using the link in the video description or the link on my bio. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.